Aryan Khan was taken into arrest on 2nd of October on drug cruise bust case and with 26 days in custody, which means 21 days in judicial custody, he's likely to walk out tomorrow. The Bombay High Court has granted bail to also Arbaz Merchant and Munmun Dhamecha. However, Aryan will have to remain in the Arthur Road prison till an official court order is out tomorrow. Now remember, the Narcotics Control Bureau tried their level best to oppose the Aryan bail's plea even today, and they argued that Shah Rukh Khan's son was a regular consumer of drugs and was in constant touch with the peddlers allegedly. But the High Court today has finally ruled in favor of the 23-year-old.
The court has granted bail to all the petitioners, Aryan Khan, Munmun and Arbaz Khan. The court has heard the case for more than 2 or 3 days and the court has granted bail just now. The detailed order will be given tomorrow and hopefully all the 3 petitioners will come out of jail either tomorrow or on Saturday.
Sir. God has blessed all of us and Aryan is a free man. He will come out soon once the bail bond is executed.
So what about the arguments with respect to the WhatsApp chats and the conspiracy?
I don't want to comment anything on the order.
By tomorrow you think that the Aryan Khan will be out?
I don't know. Once the order is out, we will let you know.
Okay, sir. It's been always a big fight with respect to, if you see that even with the Riya Chakravarti, finally the NCB's case, when it comes to the High Court, the High Court's order clarifies a lot of the conspiracy angles, 27A angles and everything.
This is the hierarchy of the judicial system and the High Court has granted us in this case as well as in Riya's case. So it appears that ultimately our prayers are heard.
Adesh aa gaya hai. All the 3 have been granted bail. Conditions are to be put. Tomorrow, all 3 will be out. God willing. Detail order आज शाम को आ जाएगा और कल से God willing everybody out.
I have with me Munmun Dhamecha's legal team here. What is the basis? What you think that the Bombay High Court has finally decided that 3 of the accused will be released on the bail?
See, we were already having high hope and faith on the judiciary, and our faith has completely proven that it's what faith we were having is completely reliable. And secondly, most important thing is that the observations and the complete orders are yet to be passed. But however, what happened today in the court is that the NCB gave their counter submissions against our bail applications and argument submissions. After that, those counter submissions arguments, accused number 1's lawyer stood up and he just started giving rebuttals, and thereafter there were 2 more rebuttals which were supposed to going on, including our rebuttal, but before that itself the court just allowed the application of all the 3, so we are happy with that.
Now let me bring in my colleague Vidya, because this month of October from 2nd to today has been at the court. The Sessions Court first and now the Bombay High Court. You've been able to bring us different aspects of arguments of both sides, Vidya, but do tell us this. Because there is no official order that was released today, what exactly did the judge say at the Bombay High Court which translate into bail? Because he said the order comes tomorrow and the accused will be released tomorrow. How does that really work out?
Pooja, first of all, you forgot the magistrate court, but I was there at both magistrate as well as sessions before it. The case really came to the High Court. But certainly, you know, if you look at the entire order that has been passed by Justice Sambre today, he's only verbally communicated this, he kept the files out and said all 3 bails allowed. So that is all he has done. In fact, the defense lawyers, the lawyers for the accused wanted to press for cash bail immediately, asking that, so that instead of a surety, a person standing for guarantee for the accused, cash bail should be allowed, so that the entire procedure is done urgently. At this, Justice Sambre immediately said, don't take it too far. I have already given the bail, or else I could have actually given it tomorrow as well. So with this, the lawyers did not really press further, and they immediately, so basically the order will be coming out tomorrow. So technically, until the operative order at least, or the detailed order, whichever Justice Sambre gives, until the defense lawyers, the lawyers for Aryan, Arbaz and Munmun Dhamecha, until they get it, they will not be able to proceed with it. And remember, it's not a short procedure. after the High Court, after Justice Sambare signs that order, it will have to be sent to the NDPS court, which had earlier rejected the bail plea. So it is the NDPS court which will actually issue the release orders. Those release orders will then be taken to the Arthur Road prison. And after the Arthur Road prison gets it before 5:30 in the evening, it is only after that they will release. So it's a long procedure that takes place, and which is the reason what Mukul Rohatgi was trying to tell the court, that Saturdays are generally not working days, but the court assured that things will happen, don't worry.
Thank you, Vidya, for getting us all the latest every day from different courts for the past 25 days. And tomorrow, likely, Aryan Khan will be heading back to his residence at Mannat. But how did he possibly get bail? What were the arguments that worked for him? Let me take you through. I've compiled it one by one for you in case you missed the breaking news. Here are the pointers. What really worked for Aryan? There was no proof of conspiracy, and that managed to work for him. No drugs found in possession of Aryan Khan was the biggest knockout. Old WhatsApp chats, not recent with regard to the cruise drug bust, was used by NCP. And importantly, no proof of consumption after no proof of possession. And importantly, 2 other accused were already granted bail by the NDPS court, and that worked for Aryan Khan likely as bail. But here's also important to understand. The Narcotics Control Bureau was all guns blazing, ensuring that they continue to push for jail time for Aryan Khan. But what were the arguments that got demolished by the Narcotics Control Bureau? They could not prove the very significant and controversial global conspiracy angle. Second, no link was proven with others except with Arbaz Merchant that he knew Aryan Khan beforehand. And importantly, the conscious possession charge, the fact that they knew that other accused had possession, could not really be proven, and the WhatsApp chats, mainly being used as evidence, fell flat. Commercial quantity that leads usually to these charges of allegedly being called a peddler, consumption, selling, a charge that did not hold as well. But remember, this is not really easy for Aryan Khan right away. Even if he gets bail tomorrow, which means he'll be walking out, the Narcotics Control Bureau has put forth significant, stringent conditions on Aryan Khan. What are those conditions after which he's also got bail? Won't indulge in activities similar to charges, will not establish contact with the co-accused, must not influence witnesses or tamper evidence. He has to surrender his passport. He cannot leave the country. All of that information needs to be submitted before the court. If he even goes out of Mumbai, even if he leaves the city, he needs to inform the Narcotics Control Bureau in advance. And importantly, this is big, he needs to mark his presence every day at the Narcotics Control Bureau office. So yes, it is a relief for him and his superstar parents, but it's not complete relief just yet. So these are some of the important conditions that you must remember and know that Aryan Khan will have to follow. But because he will be heading back to Mannat, the news is everywhere. Thousands of supporters have gathered outside Mannat, the residence of Shah Rukh Khan and Gauri. In other words, SRK and Gauri's Mannat appears to have now been approved. I want to go across to my colleague Saurabh Bhaktania. He's right outside Mannat. Last few days when you were there was not as much crowd. But have those supporters returned, Saurabh, at Mannat? What is the ground mood? Tell us.
Well, absolutely, Pooja, and the fans have actually started to gather outside the Mannat. Look at the visuals over here. That's the Mannat, that's the Bandra Best bandstand, and let me tell you that there's such crowd outside Mannat that police force have been called in. There is extra security force which have been called in, and there's so many fans over here, and all are expecting that some of the other time that Shah Rukh Khan comes over here. Well, definitely, Pooja, in some time, I'll definitely speak to some of the people over here also. But for the last 3 weeks, there were so many of the people present over here. They were here with posters and banners over here. They were trying to cheer up for Shah Rukh Khan. They were coming out from so many other places. And the cars and some of the cars actually come outside and they go in. So we expect that there is some movement over here. But let me tell you that there is a lot of crowd over here. The friends are slowly started to come out. And yes, and therefore the Mumbai police have also beefed up the security outside Mannat. And most importantly, fans are actually expecting, Pooja, that today or tomorrow, when Aryan Khan actually comes out, Shah Rukh Khan actually waves out to his fan, because they are eagerly waiting for this. These are not just from Mumbai. The people are not just from Mumbai. They're all over from India who have come out over here just to have a glimpse of Shah Rukh Khan. And when one car, it was a staff car which went inside Mannat, all rushed over there. So
in other words, Saurabh, is this the Friday release that is going to be perhaps the most significant one that Shah Rukh Khan has ever had? Will we have that moment of removing the curtains and Shah Rukh Khan coming on the terrace? Will that happen, or will he want to have a very private moment when his son returns after almost a month behind bars? For now, just a relief, remember, not completely a good news for Aryan Khan and the family.